everyone, it's me, Dick, out of drag. I just wanted to come on here really quick and make a little disclaimer for the video. I feel like this video is going to be a pretty good example for new kings, new drag performers in general, a lesson in patience and trusting the process. I know I've said this before, but a lot of times when I'm in the middle of doing paint, you know, it could take 3 to 4 to 5 hours depending on what you're doing. Sometimes you're not gonna be into it. Sometimes you're gonna wanna give up. I'm here to say, nay to that. Sometimes all you gotta do is just pop in some contacts or change your hair/wig, and then it all makes sense. And then it becomes like the best look you've ever done or your favorite look you've ever done. So without further ado, here's a speed through on one of my favorite looks that I've ever done so far. Thank you. Also, thank you so much for all the very kind comments. People are saying real kind things in the comments, especially like on my Instagram and my TikTok. Everyone's so nice. Thank you so much. I'm still learning. I'm very much still a baby, a toddler. So a toddler baby. I'm a baby toddler. Anyways, here's the video. Looks pretty good. That doesn't look bad. That looks pretty fucking good. Wow. Okay. Especially from far away. That doesn't look bad at all. My hair is gonna be over that side, so who even gives a shit? Yeah, my hair is gonna be down. I don't care. You gotta take it as it comes. Sometimes it's not gonna be good enough. For your ridiculous standards, Mr. Dick. Enough with this poppycock and nonsense. I don't think I like this. Damn it! Well, okay, maybe this is just a test run, because what the fuck? I'm not sure I'm into this. Oh! I don't like it. I don't like it. Can I just see what it looks like with eyebrows? No, I don't like it. It looks like fucking Hamburger Hamlet. The Hamburglar. It looks like the Hamburglar. Damn it. I'm gonna take it all off. Great. Damn it. Okay, well. Yeah, no, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't know what to tell you. I did get these really well though, so knowing that for future reference. Yeah, I don't like it. Should I just like go with it? I don't know. I might as well just try, right? Like, what's the fucking harm in that? Might as well just try. Who knows? I don't know if I like it, but when I put my contacts in, it might look cool. There we go. I think I can work with this. I'm glad I didn't abandon ship. I don't hate it. I don't like absolutely hate it with every fiber of my being. You know what I mean? You know? You know, I've come this far. I'm gonna put the contacts in just to see what it looks like. I do like that a lot more. Wow, did Slayfire just save this fucking look? Cause, yeah. That black is stunning. It's not like rainbow like I thought it was. It's just black glitter. It looks rainbow in the fucking tub, man. And if and if from the news last you cut me loose, I'd carousel into my grave.